Ypres, White Chalk, Wagwan. It's your boy Singh, Zima back, and we're currently at the airport. I was not able to film my journey here. I'm currently in Montego Bay and I'm coming from Kingston. I woke up at like 4 o'clock and I got to Knoxford Express at like 5 something, like 5:30 or something like that. And the bus left out at 6, so now I'm here at the airport. I was too tired to vlog. I wasn't in the mood to vlog. Jump on the bus, edited a little bit, and then I fell asleep because I was just way too tired. I woke up way too early anyways, so now, you know, my brain kind of active right now, even though it's still at like way too early for me right now. It's like, what, 9 o'clock? So, yeah, we're here. My flight is leaving out at 12, so I have about 3 hours to kill. I haven't checked in or anything yet, so right now I'm about to exchange my money. And these people are buying. The exchange rate is 123, which is madness to me still. It's higher already, but let's see how much they're going to sell it for, because they'll buy it for 120 something. Let's see how much they're selling. I want to buy some US dollars. What's the rate? 164? That's so much. No better rates? You know anywhere else that exchange money? $160. How much for 150? 164. That's US, that's pound prices to me. That's pound prices to me. I don't know if you guys know when the pound was like 160, 150. That's crazy. Jamaican money don't have no value, absolutely none. You got to do what you got to do. The flight is at 12 o'clock, so I'm going to probably get breakfast or something, or maybe not, or might just sit down somewhere and start editing. Need to find a way to kill time. I only brought my duffel bag. I don't think I'm going to need anything else. I bought stuff and sent it over there, so I might have to buy a checked suitcase and then bring it. But that's whatever, that's the least. I'm going to be linking up with my older brother again. It's being really weird. I already did all of this and it's just not giving what it's supposed to give. Continue. Please wait. Okay, I'm waiting. No, random seat. This shit doesn't work. It doesn't work. This document is invalid. They're saying that my passport is invalid. Are you stupid? And that it's invalid.
Let me see your passport. Come around.
Sure, no problem. Here you go.
Green card you're traveling on?
No.
Visa?
Visa, yeah.
That's right.
Oh, it's supposed to use it.
I'm going at 18 for time.
It's the depression for me.
What kind of depression? Seriously?
I'm not, because I was just like, alright, let me do this real quick and get out of here, you see me?
Pull your mask on for me.
I am who I say I am. Not a stranger. Yeah, they look ugly at them time there. To the difference.
They never look that
Bad.
Can you pack your bag yourself?
Big up to Dossie, by the way. Code SINGZIMA10 for 10% off your next purchase. Okay, so I just got through the security super quick because I was passing somebody who knew somebody and I was like, yo dog, you can't let me get in. And he's like, yeah dog, forward. So I got through super quick. I'd have probably waited another half an hour or 2. So big up to that guy. I don't know his name. I think he's on my flight. Thinking to get some rums. Rums? Wines? Whiskeys? I'm an alcohol connoisseur, guys, so I need to go through and see what they're selling. Or maybe I can just rob one. Here's my thing, right? How is it that you're not allowed to bring colognes on or through the security, but they're selling liquor and colognes right there? I don't understand. Hi, how much for these size earrings? Guys, we're looking at diamonds again. 28.70. That's the 33s?
No, these are the
50s?
half carat.
Hello.
935. 33 would be 935.
That's giving $400,000 for some earrings. What's your name? Wayon Barnes. Okay, so here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna tell them that they should sponsor me some earrings and I'll promote them. How does that sound? How does that sound?
We'd have to speak to that Indian.
Okay, I'm gonna continue looking around. You guys have tennis chains though?
Yeah, we have chains, not as thin as that.
No, tennis chains like diamonds.
Tennis, no, tennis.
I don't know, we're not there yet though. Soon. Alright guys, so the time I saved, now I'm going to get a little sandwich. And again, big up to the youth on my flight, bro. I don't know who he is, I don't know where he come from, but you're looking out for a nigga. And if I say that man ever in life, I owe him a huge favor. But we have to manifest. I had to put on the camera and manifest and believe. Collect the diamonds, you know what I'm saying? I'm almost there though. I'm almost there. It won't take me long, I'm almost there, no cap. Listen man, these prices are absolutely I know they're bad, you know. But them never did that for so bad. Fam, Asiago combo is $2,300. $2,300 for a motherfucking Asiago G. Are you stupid? Are you crazy? Anyways, your boy needs to piss, so I'm gonna piss. I'll be back. Ha! It's your boy Singh, so I'm back in the airport. Yo, the lighting is busting. Lights busting, no cap. The lighting in here is immaculate. I could do like a whole interview in here. Hey guys, how you doing? What's up? Wipery, White Wagwan, it's your boy Singh. We're going international. You know what I'm saying? We're going to the United States. We're going to find out what the land of opportunity has to offer for your boy. I'm flying alone because I'm a loner. Yeah, I might fly out the whole Zima family. If I could, I would. If I could bring you guys, I would. But you guys are still coming along with me on the journey. Anyways, I'm gonna take some snaps. Nobody knows that I've left yet. I haven't told anybody other than like my family and like people who actually need to know that I'm leaving, but otherwise nobody knows. So when you guys see the vlogs, that's when people know. But love you guys. I won't even cap. Everything in here is expensive, like unnecessarily dumb expensive. Mama, what? This is my part. Yeah, I'm while in the airport. People probably treat me, but trust. I don't trust family. I am chosen. Only trust the bank and Only trust the bank and God. Only trust the cover. What? The music right here is musicking. I might come back here, listen to some music, because that's the only place that has vibes in here. Everywhere else is either dead or super touristy. I don't like that. I'm the only one making noise. Alright guys, so a lady just gave me a discount thingy. 15% discount for rum. So now I'm gonna get some rum because I'm in the airport and I'm bored, so I don't see why not. Alright, so signature blend, $10. It's giving club vibes. Bag secured. Secure the bag alert. Alright, now I need some chaser and some ice. So I'll figure out what's going on in a second.
Station, Mr. On your right. That's Mr. On your right.
Hi guys, love y'all. Y'all so sexy. Are my eyes hurt? Am I tired? Anyways, there's my plane. The plane. The lady's blocking the plane. The plane. The plane. The Spirit flight looks literally like an air taxi. Air taxi vibes. The plane. Okay, so your boy got a window seat. And right now outside dead. Other than construction. Guys, so if anything else happens, which I don't think will, this is the boringest part, so I'm just going to skip. And when I take it up back, we're going to be in Florida. We're here, kids. Catch flights, not feelings. Now I just need to get my bag so I can get out of here. My Virgin Paul is supposed to come pick me up, and then I don't know what I'm going to do. I need food because the food at the airport was way too expensive. I'm not starving, but I do need something to consume. Your boy. Hey, Polly, hey, what's going on, my boy? Angels, bro, angels. All right, guys. So if you didn't know, Paul is my son from high school. You know what I'm saying? We were the ones who skull classes, and we're just chilling, and we hung out. You know what I'm saying? And I took care of Paul, Paul took care of me.
Good man.
And it's still the same shit. Appreciate it, bro. Thanks for the pickup.
I swear that police there come to pull me over.
Why would he pull you over?
Because I did kind of run a stoplight.
Now you running stoplights.
In the airport.
In the airport. When you see like 1, 2, 3.
Bro, me hear the man go whoop whoop. I was like, Lord. Bro, you see that someone pull over, so I'm gonna see.
It's all the ups right here for me and you running stoplights. Need food.
What you want? Chipotle?
Yes.
Oh, man.
Or no, not chipotles.
I don't want Chipotle. Chipotle.
What else is there? I don't want chipotle.
like,
Hello?
yo.
Well, what's going on? What's going on? You guys welcome to the Sing Zima crib in Florida. You know what I'm saying? This is the Sing Zima crib right here. Come on in, close the door. Keep it closed. You got your shoes on? That's fine. You can clean it up. You got the robot to clean the. That's fine. You know what I'm saying? Then we get. You know what I'm saying? Check it out. This is the living area. Ooh, shit, this shit. Ah! So you know we got the comfortable couches. You know what I'm saying? Got the big 1,000-inch TV. You know what I'm saying? With the bass, the JBL, surround sound, everything, the whole 9 yards. We got the beautiful lighting. The fan, the AC is busting right now. Do you see sweat on my face, my nigga? No, you don't. You know why? We cool. No. Move on to the dining area.
There's a hurricane going on outside.
There's a random ass hurricane that just happened out of nowhere. You know what I'm saying? But we got the dining area that we'll never use. You know what I'm saying? This is where we play all the drinking games, the beer pong, the pong, the other pong, any pong that you want, bro. You know what I'm saying? Any other pong. We got the suede. Look at this. You know what I'm saying? Got the kitchen area, you know what I'm saying? So this is where we entertain, you know what I'm saying? This is where Singh's angels come to hang out. You wanna drink? You got the Appleton signature blend, you know what I'm saying? Pour you up, lady. Come on, baby, come on. You know you wanna pull up. It's alright. You know what I'm saying? Kitchen vibes, big vibes, just major vibes, you know what I'm saying? Major vibe alert. We just hanging out. Lighting is lighting. And then over here we have for the boys. You can't be a playboy without having some games to play. So we have the 8-ball white. We have the pool, you know what I'm saying? We're not swimming in this one though. We're playing in our pool, liquor vibes, just liquor vibes. But yeah, this is major vibes right here, you know what I'm saying? So this is the main entertainment area. Can't have like 100 people over here, you know what I'm saying? Full it up. You see me? They say party call.
Of course.
Party. Alright, let's go. Let's give you little room tour vibes. The beach is my happy place. We're like 5 minutes from the beach. You know what I'm saying? So obviously they had to represent for the beach, for the culture. You know what I'm saying? We're in Florida. It's the culture. Here we have our bathroom. You know what I'm saying? Standing shower. Little vibes. Privacy, intimacy. You know what I'm saying? Little vibes. Little black accents and thing. And you see, everything is working together. You know what I'm saying? Everything is working. All the black door hand. Oh my god, immaculate.
It's giving what it's supposed to give.
Stay a while. Right, now we have this room here. This is like the first guest room, you know what I'm saying? Little vibes, not really too. You know what I mean? Just come in. Got a beautiful beach artwork over there. You know what I'm saying? So when the ladies come over and they're relaxing, they're reminded of the beach and where they are. You know what I'm saying? You're in Florida. See me? Over here now. This is not. Oh, you turn this on. Right now, turn it on.
I think you have to pull the
The lights. Man, see there, major vibes alert. You know what I'm saying? So we can have 2 of Singh's angels over here. Or even 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Why not? 5 over there. You know what I'm saying? It's just major vibes, dog. Got the beds. This is memory foam right here. You know what I'm saying, ladies? Oh, I see you.
in the mirror.
Alright, then no, we have the master. Major vibes over here too, you know what I'm saying? The bed is bedding. We can fit about 5 or 6 more of the Singh's angels over here. TV for immaculate vibes. View for maximum vibes right now. It's hurricane season though, apparently. Florida's weather is so bad for it. It was sunny like 2 seconds ago. Don't understand. Master, bathroom. Similar to the last one, but this one has the silver and bronze, you know what I'm saying? Just little, you know, little vibes. So this is where we're gonna be chilling. You know what I'm saying? I might just do daily vlogs if you guys Did you like it? So I'm posting a vlog today, it's already out. Meet the Mitchells. Tomorrow vlog coming up. Next day vlog coming out. Not the Spain on badness. So, welcome to the Sing Zima crib for the next couple of days. Why pre white chop all gone? It's your boy Sing Zima back. We're here in Lange. Hey, and wait no, and show. Who's that?
Two carry.
See? So guys,
I put my thing down my luggage car.
So guys, I cannot find my other phone.
Yo, Sing Zima can't answer that with a straight face. The man said like 7 times. I don't know he can't.
Bro, no, dog. Why it disappeared though? That's my thing, you know. Bro, oh salt up.
Which was out. The refund is. I want it again.
Guys, yeah, this is my cousin, and this is my older brother.
My younger brother.
My older brother.
Do
Look at my younger brother. No, nothing I like.
Yeah, you're ugly.
That's what you have for it to look forward to, you know. You know.
In a couple years, yeah?
No.
Yo, look upon the picture, them. If you see me,
He's
how
been
you-
ugly
how
though.
you used to look, I see him.
Nigga, you've been ugly, bro.
And that's how I'm a father.
Landry,
Used to
no,
look.
no, no,
Like
no.
you see your father now, bro.
Hey, look for your dog.
No.
And just the eyebrow them dog. I don't
There's
like.
nothing there, bro.
The nose them kind of look similar.
First of all, you're very Indian. You're more Indian than me, though.
Ooh.
First of all, what is this? What's facial here,
Bro,
bro?
bro.
What are you talking about?
Yeah, I get
Give
some dog.
yourself a like 2 years. Just
Five.
watch
2
it.
years to what?
Just
To look like
watch
an old
it.
man?
Exactly. Just
No,
watch
dog. Eat that, man. Forgot start going to spawn it.
it. Hey, people, what I'm saying, name Sing, don't give him 2 years.
Not the 2 years.
Creeper.
Yeah, but people.
Your purple.
But yo, I can't find my phone.
You can't say.
Oh, you still vlogging?
Yeah.
Guys, you know I played that prank on him. I took his phone.
Oh.
Oh, shit. I've been waiting for the vlog to come on.
But I've been laughing because
Dog, I just say you love prank my little brother, you know, dog. It's a tech prank, dog.
Wait, let me. You need a thumbnail. Let me.
This guy is crazy.
You're the only one that got jokes too, bro.
Not you. You're a waste man in the dark. Where is it though for real?
Oh, you want it now?
Not really, but I want to try to talk. It dead, dog. It dead. Where did you put it?
Look, the missing in action phone.
No, it's dying. I thought it died.
No, bro.
Where was it? In the couch?
No, bro.
What?
What?
So you just took up.
Oh, where I found it.
Yeah, it was in the couch. Yeah.
There you go.
Anything like
Appreciate you, nigga. We're ending the vlog for today, Landry. Landry, we're ending the vlog for today.
Yeah.
So come say something to them, no dog.
Oh yeah, we have ice, bro.
Say something to them.
I've licked with the ice.
No, we don't. I'll pull up something to get ice though.
Yo, this boy Sing does get
Yeah,
takes
see, there, just
everything.
wait. It's so freeze complete. Then you have to go.
Bro, yeah,
Fuck it up.
worse.
No, but what? There was
Oh,
no
it's
ice in
getting
there.
solid?
Yeah.
Oh, actually. I'm actually
End the
upset.
vlog, no dog.
So right now, I'm the beer guy. I'll stand.
Tomorrow,